guys, welcome back. After Ryan's comment about trying the Excite and No Vibe S13, I wanted to give them a go. So initially I was just going to do a one video to compare them and see how they are, but I actually want to spend some more time with the Excite car. So in this video, it is the No Vibe S13. So there's not a lot of detail on this one, just 383 horsepower, 480 newton meters, and it's a 1200 kilo car. So with that, let's jump in. Alright, so it uses the Gran Turismo model from what the description says, which looks pretty good on the inside. It's Barco steering wheel, I think it's got an 8K limiter. I do need to, so these come with turbo at 80% boost pressure. I think there's a working boost gauge down in front of the shifter. So what I do like about this car, and it's something so minor, is the hanging air freshener actually responds to G-forces. So it's really bugged me in other cars of hanging objects and they just sit there static, which, I don't know, it's not really anything, but kind of just adds to it. And we're also at Sportsland Yamanashi again. Did enjoy this track the first time I did it. Tight little track. I believe it wasn't an S13 last time as well. Probably going to hear a lot of limiter in this car. So try to get out to the tyres. Alright, we'll try and use third for the entry. Handbrake. So I find this corner quite tight. Need to shave off a lot of speed. Keep the car rotating. Down the bottom. Rotated too far. But it is a nice car. Third. Almost forgot what I was doing. Just trying to look around at the car interior and not focusing on what I'm doing. Alright, I've been caught out on this corner a lot, so make sure I'm ready for it. Watch the air freshener swing in the breeze. Oh, too far. Wow, too wide. Alright, let's try the long way up the top. Clutch kick in third. Oh, I rotated. For the grass. Let's try that one again. That high gutter there got me last time too, and it still does. All the others are low ripple strips. But just that one looks like a road gutter. Clutch kick to get the revs back up. Just cut the grass there. Cut the ripple strip. Shave some speed down the bottom. Out towards the tyre. Alright, third. We're going a bit slow now. Alright, see if we can make it this time. Second. Oh, ride my gutter. It felt like the front wheel was on top of it, or at least on the other side of it. I have to check that when I edit the video. So yeah, also here I am trying to keep it off the limiter a bit. Off on the dirt. Last corner. So I'm going to do one more entry. Right, third. didn't really catch it in time. Alright, I'm going to change over to the Kuno strip track, talk about the handling. Alright, I'm on the Kuno strip track. I haven't gone into it yet because... So one, you can see the turbo's at 80%, which is what I mentioned before. But these cars also use the World Drift Tour street tires. So I just wanted to mention that. So, oh, we're already losing it out of the entry. Alright, so through the S's. Just third. Was I going to hold it, or am I going to fall out of the revs? So yeah, I can hold third gear drifts here. I'll go down a second with this inside part, but obviously more comfortable with this layout. So the reason I wanted to mention the World Drift Tour street tires is I find them too slippery. So I think this car had a power band, peak torque around 5,000 RPM. I'll pull it. And definitely in other cars and other packs, that would make it a lot more difficult to drive because it would fall out of that power band. Oh, come on, third. Whereas like that, it will just be able to keep the drift going because the tires are a bit slippery. So that's how it feels to me anyway. Which is potentially why it makes them a bit easier to drive. Alright, fourth. Try and slow the car down a bit. Don't slide off the edge, going off the edge. Too much speed. But the car handling itself is good. Like, I do like the World Drift Tour street cars, and I think they're a great starter car because they're fairly forgiving. So I'd probably put this into that category as well. Oh, I'm just going to go over the strip. Second. Because definitely the power band does not feel as difficult as the Swarm S13. And like the transition's nice and what feels nice and slow and is easy to catch. And it's just nice to drive, well, nice and easy to drive. You can still use probably just a bit more clutch work than what I remember from World Drift Tour street cars. But in saying that, I probably was just driving them in second anyway at that stage. But yeah, it's an easy car to be fairly smooth in. But I find it slides too easily from what feels like a lack of, I hit the wall, from like a lack of grip. Alright, let's see if we can, I've been trying to see if I can do backies in these, but no, slide off the track. Go try that again. So it might just be me being kind of comfortable in these, but I have, when I was trying this car before, I've hit this wall a lot, probably from just too much speed, but I wasn't sure if it also just kind of, because it kept sliding, and other cars with a different tyre model would have that side grip, I guess, and slow the car down more. Nope, didn't get that. Go one more time just because I want to see if I can get it. So yeah, like definitely feels like I would have, in other cars, the car would have just bogged down. And especially in third, but overtake. Go do this corner again so I can get some speed. Yeah, and I just think it's to do with the World Drift Tour street tyres. Just I think probably the physics are the same as them as well. And that's not a bad thing. It's whatever you like. Can't get it in this car. But yeah, this is the only car I've driven of the No Vibe pack. The model of it and how it looks and all that side's, yeah, great. And like I said, the air freshener hanging and actually moving, just that little extra detail that I enjoy. The car physics themselves are fine, or feel fine. I think it's just that tyre model that I'm just not used to now. So it feels quite different from the Swarm and the Death Wish garage cars. It just feels a bit too slippery to me is the easiest way to describe it. I already see this car has a lot of BMWs, so that'd be good to try. What do I do? I don't think I have enough speed to try one more, but let's go third. Come on. Nah, still did. Too much. But I do enjoy the car, but probably not as much as the Swarm cars. So with that, thanks for watching, guys.